Hello there, YouTube fam. Long time no see. I've been meaning to do this for a while, and that is to get the old XR200 fired up to see if it runs. It should. And I have a new tire for it. Desperately needs put on. The old one is pretty roached, and this thing is like dangerous with the rear tire that it has. So I'm going to move all this junk out of here, and then we'll get the 200 out and see if it starts, and hopefully we can drive it out of here. Probably not the best idea to kickstart this thing with Crocs. Signs of life. You can see how bad that tire is. It's pretty bald. So I got a new one here. It's probably the same. Quite a difference, huh, kid? What do you think? You gonna ride the thing?
No.
Scared?
Too big.
Okay. So, alright, I think what we'll do now is let me move the bait out of the way, and yeah, so get working. Alright, this is pretty typical stuff, so I'm just going to set the camera up and do it. But we're going to remove this cotter pin, bust this loose, and I greased everything good, so everything should come off nice. But you take that nut off and smack this thing out, and then you push it forward, you'll be able to derail the chain, and we should be able to take the wheel off without any issues. And then tomorrow I'll take it to my buddy Chris's, and we'll swap stuff out then. So, all right, here we go. Alright, so here we are at Bob Hanna's garage. My pal Chris, he's a master tire changer, also worked for the Suzuki race team back in 1947 or so. So yeah, this is going to be hopefully a pretty standard tire change here. It's much easier to change a tire standing up as opposed to kneeling on the ground. So we'll probably just do a high speed of this and slap it back on the bike. And I appreciate Chris for giving me a hand with this, because it's always easier when you have two people doing it. Okay folks, we're back at it. Time to slam the tire back on, wheel back on. Alright, let's go.
Descriptions, next for the panic.
doggy. Like a new bike. All right. Other than little squeaks coming from there because it's not sealing good, I'll have to take that off, put some RTV black on there. Keep an eye on the chain tension. Should be okay just for trail riding. I'm going to get the old nephew on this thing, let him rip it. It's a hot one here in old Northwest Ohio. Sheesh. Man, thanks for coming along. But I appreciate the views. I hope everyone is having a good summer. And we'll catch you soon. Got some more videos coming. Thanks.